Youyeetoo X1 is a single-board computer based on the x86 architecture. Developed by Youyeetoo Technology, runnable full-featured versions of Windows and Linux, characterized by low cost and high performance. This issue will introduce the third method of Linux system, controlling GPIO. Control hardware through the Qt interface. Click the link to navigate to the detailed tutorial. First, install the Qt environment. Update the software list. Install the libpio dev library. Download the basic make, GCC, and G++ packages. Finally, install the Qt environment. After installing the environment, download the repository to a folder and extract it. Open the folder, navigate into the GPIO DAV directory, compile the GPIO driver, generate kernel driver files. Make the driver file. Open Qt. Import sample project. Check the option to run as root user in the Run configuration. Click Run. In the newly created folder, paste the kernel driver file. Run the Qt file again. Control the LED light on this interface. Observe the development board. You can see the red and green lights lighting up successively. The red and green lights are blinking alternately.